Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. The world is changing, isn't it? Very fast. The things were there before 20 years have changed such a lot. Technology has changed. So many changes have taken place. So, if we want to live happily in this world, we have to adapt ourselves to the new world. We should learn how to make ourselves suitable to this new world, how to adjust to the new world. For the young generation, it is very easy, but for those who are 50 plus and all, for them it goes a little bit hard, but even then they can and they have to. We have to adjust ourselves. Then if we want to adapt ourselves to this new world, which are the new skills we should learn? First thing is we should learn to be happy. Yes, we should learn how to be happy, how to be productive, because if we are happy, then only we can be productive. Don't keep on telling in our days it was like this, that and all. Comparing to the olden days, I tell you today we are much happier. Why? Because if you feel hot, you are having your fans, AC and what not. So even our work, to go here and there, we are having vehicles. Everything has become easy. That is why we have to change ourselves and accept the changes if we want to be happy. So first skill is learn to be happy. Don't keep on telling in the olden days it was like this, those days were better, this and no. I tell you, today is better than yesterday. So first thing, we should be happy. If we are happy, then only we will be productive. Then only we can do any work happily. And when you do the work happily, you are knowing even the effect, outcome will be good. That is the first thing. Next is learn new skills. In other words, update yourselves. As I told you, the world is changing. It is not like how it was 5 years back. So, we have to adapt ourselves according to the changes. Don't we adapt ourselves according to the seasons? When it is very cold in winter, we wear sweaters and all. And when it is raining, we have our umbrella or raincoats and all. How we change ourselves, how we adapt ourselves. In the same way, we have to adapt ourselves to this new, what I can say, age with the new knowledge. So as you are carrying your umbrella for rainy day, here you should learn the new skills. Update yourself. That is the second, and it is very important. Don't tell I am old, what is there now, how I can learn. You can. Yes. Next is content creation. Content creation means learn to create something new. Let it be offline or online. New things are always liked and welcomed by the society. That is why start finding something new, creating something new. And while doing all these things, don't remain aloof or alone. Loneliness will kill you. It will push you into depression. So that you should have good networking. Let it be with your family, friends and all. Then only we can share our things and we will be happy. Next is learn new skills, I told. One skill which I feel that everyone should know is cooking. Why I tell cooking? Because all of us want to eat, so we should know cooking. And you are knowing, Corona time has taught us so many things. It was also a blessing in disguise. As I tell you, whatever happens, it happens for good. Even Corona days taught us a lot. So each and every one should know cooking, because when you are cooking yourself, it will be clean and it will be good for your health. And again, no need to spend more. If you go daily and go out for eating, you have to pay more. You are knowing. That is why if you learn this, and you are knowing, it is also a creation. When you do something on your own, when you eat, you see how happy you will be. Do it and experience it. Then next is, we should know money management. Otherwise, though we have earned money or our parents have given us whatever, at least what I feel is whatever our parents have given us, we should give it to the coming generation, adding with that our own something. Otherwise, what happens? Some people, even whatever their parents have earned, that also they will just spend it off. They keep nothing for their children. Don't do like this. That is why we should be good money managers. Next, very important thing is time management. You are knowing, time is more valuable than money. Money we can earn again, but time, whatever has passed, no, that much time is minus from our life. So we should be very, very careful about time management. We should not waste time. That is why we should be busy. We should have hobbies of our own. If we are having our own hobby, you will be happy. It is your passion. Find out what you are happy with. It will be your passion. It is not necessary every time I should earn from that. For earning, my profession is there. But hobby gives me happiness. It can be your gardening, whatever it is. So all of us, from our childhood, we should develop a hobby of our own. And it can be reading, writing, gardening, painting, whatever under the sky. So you should have some hobby which will keep you fit and fine. And we should know how to take care of our own health. That is, what to eat, how to eat, when to walk, where to walk, about the exercise, everything. About our own self. No need to go to the doctor for each and everything. Some at least minimum things about our life, our body, what I like, what I don't like. All these things we should know on our own. So, you are knowing, the world is vast world, and whatever time in our hand, it is less. So we should make use of it in such a good way that we will never repent for anything. Afterwards, I should not think that I should have done this. Oh, I wasted my time during my childhood days. I would have, no, never. Behave in such a way that in future you will never repent for anything. If we follow this, I feel that we will be happy. So let us learn these 10 skills. Have a good day.